Hello students, today we are going to discuss signum function. Okay, so signum function is y equal to sgn x or mod x upon x, x is not equal to 0 and this is 0, x equal to 0. This is the signum function. Okay, so sgn x equal to 1 if x greater than 0 and this is 0 if x equal to 0 and minus 1 if x less than 0. This is the signum function. Okay. Okay. So this is the signum function. According to this graph of signum function, this is your graph. Graph of signum function. For x greater than 0, it is 1, y equal to 1. For x less than 0, it is y equal to minus 1. And for x equal to 0, this is equal to 0. So this is the graph of signum function. Okay. So nature, if you discuss about its nature, so it is many one, okay, and odd function. If you discuss about its nature, so it is many one and odd function. If you discuss about domain, domain belongs to R, okay, and if you discuss about its range, so range belongs to -1, 0, 1. This is its range. Okay, write down. Okay, so in general, in general, y equal to sgn fx, in general, signum fx will be fx upon fx if fx is not equal to 0, and this is 0 if fx equal to 0. Okay, so sgn, suppose x minus 1, x minus 2, signum x minus 1, x minus 2. Okay, so this will be 1 if x minus 1, x minus 2 greater than 0. Okay, and this will be 0 if x minus 1, x minus 2 equal to 0. And this is minus 1 if x minus 1, x minus 2 less than 0. Okay, so its graph again, let us consider this is 1 if x less than 1 or x greater than 2. Okay, this is 0 if x equal to 1 and 2. This is minus 1 if 1 less than x less than 2. Okay, now its graph. if you discuss its graph, so graph will be, this is 1, this is 2. Okay, it will be 1 if x less than 1 and x greater than 2. X less than 1, this is 1, and this is minus 1 if 1 less than x less than 2. This is minus 1 and this is 0, x equal to 1 and x equal to 2. This is y equal to 1, this is y equal to minus 1, this is y, this is y. Okay, so this is your graph. Write down. Now, signum x square minus 2x plus 3. So, x square minus 2x plus 3. Okay, let us consider this is gx. Okay, so it's d equal to 4 minus 4 into 3. You can say this is less than 0. Okay, so in any quadratic equation, if discriminant is less than 0 and coefficient of x square is positive, then that quadratic equation will be greater than 0 for all x belongs to y. So this gx greater than 0 for all x belongs to r. Okay, so y equal to signum x square minus 2x plus 3. Okay, it will be 1 for all x belongs to r. Okay, so its graph will be y equal to 1 for all x belongs to r. Write down. Now signum x into x minus 1 or x minus 2. So this will be 1 if x minus 1, x minus 2 greater than 0. This is 0 if x minus 1, x minus 2 equal to 0. This is minus 1 if x minus 1, x minus 2 less than 0. Okay, so for sign scheme, this is 0, this is 1, this is 2. Okay, this is positive, negative, positive, negative. This is the sign scheme of this function. Okay, now this signum function will be 1 for 0 to 1 and greater than 2. This signum function will be minus 1 for x less than 0 and 1 to 2. And it will be 0 at 0, 1, 2. Okay, so its graph will be, okay, 0, 1, 2. This is 0, this is 1, this is 2. Okay, it will be 1, 1, this is 1, this is minus 1. Okay, so it will be 1 for 0 to 1, 0 to 1. Okay, it will be 1 for 2 to greater than This is the 1. Okay. This is minus 1 for 1 to 2. For 1 to 2, this is minus 1. Okay. And this is minus 1 for less than 0. This is y equal to 1. This is y equal to minus 1. Okay. This is 0. This is x. This is y. Okay. So this is the graph of this signum function. Okay. Write down. So this will be 1 for x belongs to 0 to 1 and x greater than 2. This will be 0, x is equal to 0, 1, 2. This will be minus 1 if x less than 0 and x lies between 1 to 2. And its graph is this. Right. Now, signum of sin x means mod of signum x upon signum, mod of sin x upon sin x. If sin x not equal to 0, this is 0. If sin x equal to 0. Okay. So, this will be 1 if sin x greater than 0. This will be 0 if sin x equal to 0. This will be minus 1 if sin x less than 0. Clear? Now, its graph. Its graph. For its graph. Okay. This is 0, this is pi, this is 2 pi, this is 3 pi, this is minus pi, this is minus 2 pi. Okay. So sin x, this is signum sin x will be 1 if sin x greater than 0. So sin x greater than 0, you can say this. One. Okay, and this is minus 1. Okay. This is minus 1. Again, this is okay. This is minus 1. Okay, and so on. And so on. Okay, so this is the graph of signum of sin x. Okay, so you can say in general form x belongs to 2n pi to 2n plus 1 pi, where n belongs to z. Okay, this is equal to 0 if x equal to n pi, n belongs to z. Okay, and this is minus 1 if x belongs to 2n plus 1 pi to 2n plus 2 pi. Okay. So this is the general solution. When sin x signum function is 1, when signum function is 0, then signum function is minus 1. This is the graph of signum function. Okay. Write down. Okay, now signum of log x base 10. So signum of log x base 10, this is the signum form. Okay, so it will be 1 if log base 10x greater than 0. Okay, and this will be 0 if log base 10 x equal to 0, and this is minus 1 if log base 10 x less than 0. Okay, now it will be clear from graph of log x. Log x this is the graph of log x. Okay, this is the graph of log x base 10. So this will be 1 for greater than 1. This will be minus 1 for 0 to 1. This will be 0 when x equal to 1. So graph of signum function will be this is 1 for s greater than 1. This is 0 at x equal to 1, and this is y equal to minus 1, y equal to 1, this is y, this is x, this is y equal to 1. This is the graph of signum log x. Okay? Any problem? Write down this. Now signum of e power x. Let gx equal to e power x. Okay, and we know very well about this function. This is the exponential function. It is greater than 0 for all x belongs to r. Okay, so signum e power x equal to 1 for all x belongs to r. Okay, so its graph will be y equal to 1, y, x, 0. Okay, this is the graph of signum e power x. Okay, write down.